A coalition government is formed by multiple political parties. These parties decide to work together. This usually happens after an election. No single party wins enough seats alone, so they join forces to govern. This helps create a majority in parliament. It is a common feature in many democracies. Malaysia currently operates under such a system. Malaysia's current government is a unity government. This was formed after the last general election. The election results were very close. No single coalition won a clear majority, so different groups agreed to cooperate. They aim to provide political stability for the nation. This allows the government to function effectively. It brings diverse political interests together under one administration. In a coalition, relationships between parties are key. These parties must trust each other deeply. Good communication is also very important for success. Without trust, the coalition can face serious problems. It might become unstable or functionally weak. All partners need to work towards common goals. This ensures the government operates smoothly for the people. The nation's overall progress depends heavily on this cooperation. A stable government is vital for any country's well-being. It allows for a consistent focus on national development. The people's welfare can be properly prioritized by leaders. Political stability also attracts crucial foreign investment. This helps the national economy to grow strong. Long-term planning for the country becomes much easier. Thus, coalition unity is a very important topic. It directly impacts Malaysia's future prospects and success. Tengku Zafrul Aziz is a notable public figure. He is Malaysia's Minister of Investment, Trade and Industry. Previously, he was a prominent member of UMNO. UMNO is one of Malaysia's major political parties. He has a strong background in the finance sector. He also has considerable experience in government service. His actions and decisions often draw public attention. This makes his recent political choices particularly significant. In late May 2025, Tengku Zafrul made a big move. He announced his formal resignation from the UMNO party. He then stated his wish to join PKR. PKR stands for Parti Keadilan Rakyat, another key party. He cited compatibility and suitability as his main reasons. This was a personal decision that he publicly explained. This surprising move has started many political discussions. It clearly affects the current Malaysian political landscape. PKR is a key political party in Malaysia. It is a main component of the Pakatan Harapan, or PH coalition. Pakatan Harapan is currently a major political coalition. PH is part of the existing unity government. It governs alongside the Barisan Nasional or BN coalition. Interestingly, UMNO is a leading party within BN. So, Zafrul wants to move between parties already in government. This makes the entire situation quite sensitive and complex. This move happens within a special governmental structure. Malaysia's unity government relies heavily on inter-party cooperation. Different political parties must work together very closely. A high-profile minister switching allegiance is quite unusual. It naturally raises many questions among observers. People wonder about the government's internal working dynamics. It certainly tests the strength of existing political alliances. The implications are being carefully watched by everyone. Some leaders within PKR itself have voiced their concerns. For example, Segamat Member of Parliament R. Yuniswaran spoke out. He urged his party PKR to be very cautious. He said maintaining overall coalition unity is most important. Accepting Zafrul might harm vital UMNO-PKR working relations. This could potentially destabilize the entire unity government. He emphasized that actions breaking trust must be avoided. He stressed the critical need for careful and thorough consideration. Many leaders in UMNO are understandably not pleased. They have warned PKR about accepting Tengku Zafrul. They feel this particular move is quite problematic. One UMNO leader from the state of Kedah made a strong statement. He suggested Barisan Nasional might review its alliance with Pakatan Harapan. This serious review could happen if Zafrul successfully joins PKR. This clearly shows how serious and delicate the issue is. It highlights the fragile nature of the current political balance. Not everyone opposes Tengku Zafrul's potential move to PKR. There are some individuals who see potential benefits. For instance, the PKR youth chief, Kamil Muniem, shared his view. He expressed support for accepting Tengku Zafrul into the party. He believes it could genuinely increase public support for PKR. It might also strengthen the party's overall public image. This indicates that different opinions exist even within PKR itself. The decision regarding Zafrul's membership is clearly not straightforward. Rafizi Ramli, a senior PKR leader, also commented. He was the outgoing Minister of Economy at the time. He warned that Tengku Zafrul's move could create uncertainty. It might disrupt the harmony within the unity government. He pointed out the existing unity government agreement. This crucial agreement does not specify rules for such cases. This situation represents a gray area, he thoughtfully said. He called for top party leaders to discuss it urgently. Trust is like the strong foundation of a house. In any coalition government, trust is absolutely essential. It is the glue that holds the different parties together. When parties trust each other, important work gets done efficiently. They can make significant collective decisions for the nation. These decisions are intended to benefit the entire country. If this vital trust breaks down, the government weakens. This unfortunate situation makes effective governance very difficult. Tengku Zafrul's wish to join PKR is a clear test. It tests the stability of the current unity government. It forces all leaders to face some tough questions. They must carefully consider the delicate balance of power. They also need to protect important inter-party harmony. Keeping the government stable and functional is very important. This ensures it can serve the people of Malaysia effectively. Managing these challenging tests well is truly crucial for leaders. Clear communication is absolutely vital for all coalition partners. Leaders need to talk openly and honestly about issues. Rafizi Ramli suggested that top party leaders should meet. They should thoroughly discuss Tengku Zafrul's application to PKR. Perhaps they might need to create some new guidelines. This could help manage similar complex situations in the future. It can prevent serious misunderstandings between coalition parties. It helps maintain a strong and productive working relationship. In conclusion, unity is very, very important. It is especially important for Malaysia's government at this time. A united and stable government can focus on national progress. It can implement helpful policies smoothly for all citizens. It also builds much-needed confidence among the general public. Events like Tengku Zafrul's bid offer valuable lessons. These lessons can help strengthen coalition politics in Malaysia. This ultimately helps build a better and brighter future for Malaysia.